Hello, my clients. This is Muhile Real Estate. So you can buy this house on 450 million Rwandan francs. So let's get started. Hello, my people. So today we are at Kibagabaga. I'm going to show you the house for sale at Kibagabaga, not far from Kibagabaga Hospital. It's like 10 minutes to the Chimilong supermarket. It's near everything here. You can get it. So this house, I want to introduce you first. This house has 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom and toilet. And the price of this house is not expensive. It's only 450 million Rwandan francs. And that price is negotiable. So I can show you the inside of the house. So as you see, this is a big parking. As you see, we have nice flowers here. As you see, we have nice gate here. It's very nice and sliding. As you see, it's beautiful. And here we have a parking space. It can host like 4 cars. So we have also the nice garden here. As you see, it's very nice. You see how it's a nice plantation here. Is a beautiful. From this parking, we use these stairs to go up the house. So we have this nice balcony. Wow, it's very big and nice. You see how it's big. You can chill with the people, like 30 people here. Is big. You see this design of this balcony is very nice. This house is very affordable considering of this design, where it located. The neighborhood is perfect. So guys, this is a good investment. So let's take a look of this beautiful house inside. Before we go inside, we have this big opening, as you see, and this opening take us inside of this house. As you see, the seating is very big. The design of this seating, it has a TV stand here. You see how the design is very nice and beautiful. You see how the lights here is nice and lovely here. You see these unique lights here. If you want to switch off, you click here. So as you see, this from this sitting room here, we have the space for dining space here. So it's open. Also it has also the design for the lights here. As you see, it has another design here. You can put the decoration what you want here. So from here we have the good design of the doors. As you see, it's very nice and lovely. It is very big. As you see how it is designed. This door is very heavy. Wow. So from this side, we have another, from the sitting and dining, we have another exit here also. You can use the entrance what you want. You can use this entrance here or another entrance from this terrace. Guys, as you see, this is a beautiful big sitting room. So from this side, you have nice kitchen here. Is very big. You see the design, the color of the cupboard here is very nice, as you see. So this is space for the stove. Here we have the place for fridge. Here is big, double fridge here, it can fit also. So we have here the sink here is also nice. So we have another here space. Here you can put something here, as you see. So the space for this kitchen is a big enough. Everything you have, it can fit here. So as you see, he used the white granite countertop, so it's very nice also here. And also this kitchen, it has another big opening and exit here. This is another exit from the kitchen. So this kitchen is very designed. As you see, the lights is very nice. Also the beautiful here wall made of the stones. So from here, I'm going to show you the one bedroom on this ground floor here. So from we enter here, big room here, as you see, is very big. It's like a 50 square meters. It's very nice and big. As you see, the design of the right is nice. The opening also of this door is nice, is sliding, you see. It has a natural light. During the day, you don't need to turn on the lights. So we have here the wardrobe. Here, the space is enough. Here, from this room is self-contained. It has the mirror here. Also, it has toilet. The bathroom is big enough. You have a nice shower, black color. So the sink, I like this sink. It's like egg design. So this design of this sink is very nice and lovely also. So before I leave this room, I can take you out without showing you this good design of this wall design. It's very nice, as you see. It's very beautiful, making this room comfortable sleeping. So one more thing, on the ground floor here, we have the restroom for the guest here. So guys, let me take you the first floor, then you have a look. So guys, we reach on the first floor. Let me start to show you the room here. This is the first room on the first floor. So we have very big room. You see how it's big. You can put double bed here, big bed here. You can put two beds. You can fit here. As you see, this color of tiles is very unique here. You see the opening here. You see? It's very nice. It's big. You have the natural light. You have the private balcony here. It's nice. So as you see, one thing I can show you. You see this design of the light. If you put the bed here, this is the space for the bed. So you enjoy these two rides. So from here we have, as usual, the wardrobe. The wardrobe is big enough here, as you see. It's nice. So from this side we have bathroom. The design of the sink is big, is nice and big enough. Have a toilet. You have here the space for the washroom. You have the good design for the shower, and the color is lovely also. So from this room, I can show you this another room here. It's also nice and big. The design is the same as the previous room. As you see, the opening also is big and nice. The natural light again is here. You see the design of this wall. Wow, it's nice. So the tile is the same as beautiful. So from here we have also the bathroom here. As you see, it's big enough. Everything here is good. Have the shower here. The tiles on the wall is beautiful. The sink also, the design of this sink is also very nice. You can show the guarantee, 10 years of guarantee for this sink. So before you buy the house, you have to think also the materials of the houses. So this makes this house beautiful again. So guys, now I'm going to show you the master bedroom. I know you will like it. So this is the master bedroom. When you reach this master bedroom, you think it's like a playground. What is this? You see the opening. You see? Let me count the meter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 meters for opening. You see the natural light here. It's beautiful house. You see the design of these lights. This one and this one. This is the space for the bed. You see the tiles is quiet color. You see the design of this side. So the woman can put the chair here, then can make makeup this side. So this makes this house beautiful. We have also this snake lights. It makes us also this house beautiful. We have also this specific lights here. When I turn on here, you see how it's designed. It's very unique. We have also this wardrobe here. It's nice, big enough. You can put everything you want here. So from this side, we have also bathroom. It's big enough. You see how it's big? It's double. We have this specific shower. Toilet also. The sink as well is nice. You see the pressure of the water here is enough. So I can take you the balcony of this master bedroom. As you see, it's beautiful. As you see, the panoramic view. This is the side of Kibagabaga also. This is the side of Kimilonko. You can see everywhere. You can sit here, then you enjoy the view. So guys, now we saw everything on the first floor. So let me take you on the rooftop. We reach the rooftop side. As you see, this is the space. Before you reach the rooftop here, you meet this black space here. So now we reach on the rooftop here. As you see, the space on the rooftop is a big enough. It can host like 7 people here. As you see, they can enjoy this panoramic view. You see all this neighborhood. You see the Kimilonko side, you see the Kibagabaga side, Bumbogo side, everywhere you can see from this rooftop. So one more we have on this rooftop, we have room and bathroom. I can show you now. So this side also we have this toilet. The people they are on the rooftop, they can use this toilet and bathroom. Also, the one who is sleeping in this room, they can use of that side of the toilet as you saw. So as you see, this design of this room also is nice as well. It has also the opening here, big opening, the natural light as well. So it's nice. As you see, the tiles is well designed and the color is quiet. So the color of the door, as you see, is the same as of this color of the tiles. So this design is very nice. So one more thing also I can show you. You see the color of this lock. the color of this switch, the color of these lights, the color of this opening is the same. So guys, thank you guys for being with us for tour this house. I want to remind you the price of this house is 450 million and the price is negotiable. This house also has 5 bedroom, 5 toilet, kitchen, sitting room and dining room, has nice rooftop as you have seen. So if you want to visit this house, you can call us on that number you have seen on the screen or contact us on our social media. Thank you guys.